Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved unidentified network connection, fix limited access, no internet. Type CMD in search bar, right click, run as administrator. Type ipconfig, space, backslash, flush DNS, press enter key. DNS is successfully flushed. Type netshare, space, winsock, space, reset. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Also displays, you must restart the computer. Restart your PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.